we divide 930 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 930 divided by 2 is 465. So this much for today and thanks for watching.